was a hand behind the lines, or so the stories say. A careful mind that set the gears, then quietly walked away. No thunder rolling in the sky, no voice inside the flame, just perfect laws that never bend and never speak a name. He built it perfect, so he never came back. No cracks in the system, no need to react. He set it in motion, then faded to black. He built it perfect, so he never came back. Trace the edges of the code, we map the endless spin. We look for fingerprints of God, but don't know where to begin. No answer waiting in the dark, no signal in the air, just silence stretching out for miles like no one's really there. He built it perfect, so he never came back. No error in the pattern, no moment to crack, no need for correction, no need to interact. He built it perfect, so he never came back. If it doesn't break, why would he return? If it never fails, was he ever needed?